Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to take you along on our amazing 6-day trip to Iceland, known for its breathtaking landscapes, geothermal lagoons, and incredible natural beauty. Iceland is a country rich in both nature and history. Did you know that Iceland was first discovered by Norse explorers in the 9th century and later settled by Vikings? It was one of the last large islands to be inhabited by humans, and interestingly, Iceland has no mosquitoes, but they have dragons. Oh wait, no. They do not have dragons. That's a different country. Throughout this trip, we explored some of Iceland's most famous tourist spots, enjoyed delicious Icelandic food, and had an unforgettable experiences like chasing the northern lights and walking behind waterfalls. We even discovered some fun facts about Iceland's unique history. Now, full disclosure, I'll be trying my best to pronounce some of these Icelandic names, but I know I will not get them all right. So if my attempts make you laugh, at least I have entertained you along the way. One thing I will not try saying is the longest word in Icelandic.
Vaðlaheiða, vega vinnu, verkfæra geymslu skúra, úti dyra, lykla kitlu hringur.
From the airport, after getting our rental van, our Icelandic adventure began at the iconic Blue Lagoon, a must-visit geothermal spa located in a lava field. The lagoon's mineral-rich waters are known for their skin benefits, and soaking in the warm, milky blue waters surrounded by the stunning volcanic landscape was the perfect way to start our trip. After relaxing at the Blue Lagoon, we drove to Reykjavik and checked into our hotel, which was conveniently located downtown. For dinner, we visited Old Iceland restaurant, known for its traditional Icelandic cuisine. The lamb dish we had was beautifully prepared, tender and delicious. It was a great way to experience the local flavors. Our first tour activity is the Reykjavik food walk, sampling some of the city's best dishes. Seafood is big here, and the highlight was the fresh cod cooked in spinach. But we also tried fermented shark, a traditional Icelandic delicacy. I will be honest, it was not my favorite. It has a really strong, fishy flavor that is definitely an acquired taste. The tour was filled with good food, lively conversation, and a lot of laughs. For more details on the tour or any of the tours we use, I will include the links in the description below. Later that night, we embarked on a midnight tour to chase the northern lights. Now, seeing the northern lights is all about luck, and we were not so lucky on our first night. Imagine being in a van for hours, freezing cold with no restrooms around, all while drinking hot cocoa you cannot really enjoy. But our tour company let us try again, and more on that later. To cap off the night, we grabbed the famous Icelandic hot dogs from Beijerinn Bestu Pulsur. The hot dog had an incredible snap with every bite, and I especially loved the sweet mustard they used. We all give it our seal of approval. Day 3 was all about the Golden Circle, and our first stop was the Thingvellir National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the world's oldest parliament and is located on the rift between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. The landscapes here is unlike anything I have ever seen. Massive rock formations, expansive lakes, and vast plains.
Wow, look at that model. How
Next, we visited Skogafoss, Iceland's famous two-tier waterfall. The sheer power and beauty of this waterfall are awe-inspiring. You can actually walk close enough to feel the mist on your face.
It's grand. The Skogafoss.
Our final stop was a geyser, geothermal area, where the Strokur geyser erupts every few minutes. Watching the water explode into the air was thrilling, and the geothermal area itself was full of bubbling hot springs and steaming vents. We ended our day with a warm meal at Icelandic street food, where we enjoyed their lamb soup and seafood stew served in bread bowls. The perfect comfort food for a chilly Icelandic evening. On day 4, we embarked on an unforgettable journey to Iceland's breathtaking south coast. Our first stop was Skogafoss, a majestic waterfall where you can actually walk behind the cascading water. This was such an exhilarating and wet experience. Walking behind the falls, hearing the roar of the water, and seeing the world through the veil of mist was magical. Despite getting soaked, the view from behind the waterfall was absolutely worth it. It felt like being in a scene from a movie.
Are you cold, Raylene? Super cold. The grandness of it all. Woo, it's freezing. Slay, Rose, Trey, yeah. Foss waterfall. What's wrong with me? How cold are you, bien? Muy bien? Cold? We'll turn the heat up. It's cold. Selfie? Yeah, I got you. Exiting the waterfall area. Where's bien? All right. Guess we're going.
Afterward, we made our way to Vik for one of the highlights of the entire trip, the Katla Ice Cave Tour. These incredible ice caves are formed inside glaciers, and because the ice melts and refreezes each year, the caves are constantly evolving. Stepping inside the ice cave was like entering another world. The vibrant blue hues of the ice and the intricate layers of frozen formations were mesmerizing. It wasn't like anything we had ever seen. The ice felt alive, glowing under the faint light that seeped through cracks. It was surreal and unforgettable.
Wait first.
After the ice cave tour, we stopped for lunch at Black Crust Pizza in Vik, a place that serves pizza made with a unique charcoal-infused dough that gives it a striking black color. If you ever make it to Vik, I highly recommend trying it for yourself. With full bellies, we headed to Reynisfjara Beach, also known as the Black Sand Beach. This beach is famous for its jet black volcanic sand and the dramatic basalt sea stacks that rise from the ocean. The beach is stunning but can also be dangerous due to the unpredictable sneaker waves, so we kept a safe distance from the water. The contrast of the black sand against the white-capped waves was striking, and the sheer cliffs with their towering basalt columns made it feel like we had stepped onto an alien planet.
1, 2, 3.
We made a brief stop at Skogafoss, one of the largest and most powerful waterfalls in Iceland, before heading back to Reykjavik. The sheer force of the water tumbling down the cliff was awe-inspiring, and if you stand close enough, you will feel the mist and hear the thunderous crush of the water. By the end of the day, we were exhausted but completely in awe of the beauty we had witnessed. Iceland's south coast truly delivers some of the most spectacular landscapes you will ever see. Day 5 started with a visit to the National Museum of Iceland, where we learned more about the country's Viking history, culture, and heritage. It was fascinating to see the artifacts and exhibitions, and it really deepened our understanding of Iceland's past. Afterward, some of us visited Hallgrímskirkja, to Reykjavik's iconic church, and made our way to the top of its tower for a stunning panoramic view of the city and its surroundings. From the top, you could see the vibrant, colorful rooftops of Reykjavik stretching out below, framed by the snow-capped mountains and the vast expanse of the ocean in the distance. It is easily one of the most breathtaking views in the city, offering a full perspective of Iceland's unique blend of urban and natural landscape. That evening, we had our second attempt to witness the Northern Lights, and this time, we were in luck. Words cannot fully capture the experience of seeing the Aurora Borealis in person. The sky lit up with vivid green lights, twisting and rippling like a celestial dance. It felt like we were part of something magical, witnessing one of the nature's most incredible spectacles. It was truly one of the most awe-inspiring moments of the trip, and we felt incredibly fortunate to have seen it after missing out on our first attempt. After a late night chasing the Northern Lights, we decided to sleep in on day 6 to recharge. Once we were well rested, we spent the afternoon at the Sky Lagoon, a stunning oceanfront geothermal spa just outside Reykjavik.
Wow. It's like the Pirates of the Caribbean and we fell off the boat. Right? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Trey Dog, isn't it beautiful?
Oh, it's beautiful, man.
Bien.
Yeah.
Is it muy bien?
Ready? 1, 2, 1.
Wow.
Ready? 1, 2.
Private lounge. Look, there's even a cave on the left side.
This luxurious retreat was the perfect way to unwind and soak in the natural beauty of Iceland one last time. The highlight of our visit was the 7-step spa ritual, which includes a series of rejuvenating experiences. We started by immersing ourselves in the warm, mineral-rich waters of the lagoon, enjoying the panoramic views of the North Atlantic Ocean. From there, we moved through a cold plunge, a misty steam room, a warm sauna with floor-to-ceiling windows, and a refreshing cold fog mist. Each step was designed to calm and restore the body, and by the end, we felt completely relaxed and at peace. The serene atmosphere of Sky Lagoon combined with the incredible ocean views made it a perfect place to reflect on our unforgettable Icelandic adventure.
Rain. The Sky Lagoon right before sunset.
So pretty.
Sky Lagoon, happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, baby! Sky Lagoon. Iceland.
Dude, I'm staying here till closing. Love. Closure. Iceland.
Iceland.
Iceland. This is Iceland.
Iceland. This is Iceland, she says. Let's go, miss.
For our final meal in Iceland, we went back to the old Iceland restaurant. Because we love their food so much, it was fitting end to an unforgettable trip, and we left with full heart.
Delicious. What's on your bucket list you want to do before you die?
Philippines. Sorry, baby.
Are you videotaping me eating this?
Yeah, I want to see.
Wow, alright.
Here are some tips if you're planning your own trip to Iceland. Dress in layers. Iceland's weather can change quickly, so make sure to pack plenty of layers. Avoid wearing jeans. This is something we learned from experience. Jeans are not the best choice, especially if you are doing activities where you might get wet, like walking behind waterfalls or exploring the ice caves. Opt for quick dry pants or waterproof gear instead. Rent a car. The best way to explore Iceland is by car. It gives you the freedom to stop at all the beautiful spots along the way. Book tours in advance. Tours like the Katla Ice Cave and Northern Lights tours tend to fill up quickly, so make sure to book ahead. Try the local food. Icelandic cuisine is unique and delicious. Do not miss the chance to try the hot dogs, lamb, and seafood. Chase the Northern Lights. Seeing the Northern Lights is all about timing and luck. Even if you do not catch them on your first try, the experience is still worth it. Looking back, this trip was about more than just ticking off a bucket list. It was about spending time with the people who matter most. Celebrating Ray's 50th birthday with my cousins and our husbands was so special. Traveling with friends and family reminds you how important it is to cherish these moments and keep making time for each other. Life gets busy, but trips like these, they bring everyone back together. So I encourage you, keep in touch with your friends, plan those trips, and create memories that last a lifetime. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next adventure. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.